today we are visiting Essager, one of TVCMALL's important brand partner in mobile accessories and consumer electronics.
Founded in 2017, Essager has expanded its presence to over 138 countries and regions. The brand focuses on mobile accessories and 3C consumer electronics, creating products guided by its values of quality, innovation, care. With a commitment to high quality, high performance, and high standards, Essager continues to deliver simple, functional, and reliable technology for everyday life.
One of their key strengths is in-house product development capability.
The team closely follows new device launches, charging technologies, market trends, customer feedback, and charging user needs when developing new products. From the initial idea and product design to team discussions, mode development, and prototyping, every new product goes through multiple stages of evaluation and refinement before entering production. Essager develops approximately 10 to 20 new products each month, allowing the brand to respond quickly to market changes and provide customers with fresh product options throughout the year. Here are some Essager's patents, certifications, and awards. The brand has obtained more than 300 patents and certifications, including CE, FCC, and ROSE, as well as awards from Shopee and AliExpress. Next, let's take a look at some of Essager's featured products. This is a 10,000 milliamp ultra-slim magnetic power bank with digital display, combining portability and practical charging functions for everyday use.
This is one of the best sellers on TVCMALL, GAN desktop charger.
With 8 ports and support for up to 100-watt single-port USB-C fast charging for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. These products are available on TVCMALL, helping global buyers easily source Essager products throughout our platform. Besides product development, Essager also creates its own product images and videos in-house. The team handles product photography, video shooting, editing, and visual content creation, providing professional product materials for different sales channels.
This is the photography room. Here are some samples for photo shooting and video making.
With complete product images, videos, and marketing materials, Essager helps partners launch and promote products more efficiently. TVCMALL also supports customers with product images, videos, detailed descriptions, and API integration, making product management and sourcing more efficient.
Hi Jen, we would like to ask, what makes Essager different from other mobile accessory brands?
We create minimalist tough textures for 18 to 35 male gadgets lovers and overseas business travelers. We sell direct to global customers online, tailor portable chargers for local markets, and launch new items frequently with quality materials at low cost. No retail stores or marked up prices.
Thanks for sharing.
TVCMALL began working with Essager in 2019. Over the past 7 years, both teams have built a strong and long-term partnership through continuous communication, product development, and a shared understanding of global market needs. This close cooperation allows TVCMALL to bring more quality products from Essager to more global buyers and provide customers with more reliable sourcing options.
We have seen the finished products in office, and next we're heading into the factory to take a closer look at the process and systems behind them. Now we arrive at the factory here.
This is one of Essager's cable manufacturing facilities. Essager has dedicated manufacturing facilities for different product categories. And today we are visiting its cable factory, where a wide variety of charging and data cables are produced. From material selection to every detail of the production process, strict standards are followed to help ensure that each finished cable meets Essager's quality requirements. This is one of the key parts of cable production, the inner core. A cable usually contains 5 internal wires, and each wire is made of around 50 ultrafine copper strands twisted together. These carefully arranged copper strands help improve electrical conductivity, flexibility, and durability. A high-quality inner core is essential for stable power transmission, especially for fast-charging products that need to support higher current output.
The factory is equipped with 5 production lines
and can produce tens of thousands of cables every day, supporting sufficient production across different cable types, specifications, and order requirements. The factory produces a wide range of cable products, including charging cables, data cables, connection cables, and adapters for different devices and usage scenarios. With device product capabilities, Essager can support various market demands from everyday charging solutions to high-performance charging products. Through partnerships with brands like Essager, TVCMALL is able to provide global buyers with more product choices across mobile accessories, supporting a convenient, one-stop sourcing experience from product selection to order fulfillment.
Customization is also an important part of this factory's compatibility.
Customers can customize cable length, materials, connectors, charging specifications, colors, packaging, and branding based on their market needs. TVCMALL also supports customization across multiple product categories with flexible MLQ options to meet different sourcing requirements. Throughout production, quality control is managed under the ISO 9001 quality management system. Each cable goes through multiple rounds of inspection, including semi-finished product inspection, functional testing, appearance checks, and final product inspection.
Now we're inside Essager's testing room.
The laboratory is equipped with professional testing equipment for evaluating the performance, durability, and reliability of different cable products. Depending on the product, tests may include aging tests, plugging and unplugging tests, bending and swing tests, charging performance tests, and other durability checks. Besides production capabilities, Essager also has strong warehousing and fulfillment capabilities. This is Essager's warehouse, which provides sufficient inventory support for different sales channels and customer demands. With well-organized inventory management, products can be efficiently stored, picked, packed, and shipped to customers worldwide. From production to warehousing and final delivery, Essager provides a complete supply chain process to support faster fulfillment and a more reliable customer experience.
That's all for today's visit to Essager. If you love this kind of brand stories, don't forget to like and follow TVCMALL for more brand partner visits. See you!